Hello friends, this is Sunil sir, and today I am going to show you the program that checks whether the number is prime or not, but this time we will use another method. The method we are using today is a flag method. Okay, so program to check if number is prime or not using flag method. Okay, now what is this flag method? That will be revealed very soon. Let us start with the program. I hope all of you know what is prime number. A prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 and itself only. It is not be divisible by any other number. Okay, for example, if number is 12, so 12 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So many numbers are there. But if 11 is the number, then 11 is only divisible by 1 and itself, 1 and 11 only. So what I am going to do in this program is, whatever number is entered by user, let us assume the number entered by user is 1000. Okay, now 1000 is divisible by so many numbers. Okay, but it is also divisible by 1 and itself. Other than 1 and itself, 1000 is divisible by 2 also. Now see, if it is divisible by 2, why I am go on checking till 1000 whether this is composite number or not, right? 1000 is easily divisible by 2. So why should I check further? Okay, so I have to stop my work at that point only. Okay, I don't want to do all the other calculation since my number got divisible by a smaller number only. Okay, let us see it in the program. So I'll create a class prime2. Why prime2? Because prime1 is already added, and that program will do what? It will check the number whether it is prime or not using factors count method, and this is our second method. This is our flag method. So let us see how flag method will affect here. Give me a moment. Okay, so I'll begin my program. I will evolve the program. You know, I am not just blindly copy pasting the program. The program will evolve in front of you. Okay, so be here. So program to check if number is prime or not using flag method. Okay, so I'll take input from the user. So import java.util.scanner class prime2. I'll take main, so public static void main string arg. After doing this, what I will do is I'll take my variable. So n is my variable, a number entered by user, whereas I is my loop. The other variables I'll take as and when required. I'm taking scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. Okay, after doing this, now the next turn is I'll ask user to enter a number. So user will enter the number. That number will go to my variable n. I'm running a loop from 1 to n. Okay, I'll not do anything extra here. I just write this much, and then I will display system.out.println I. Okay, so this program is incomplete, but when I compile there is no error, and when I run this program, I wrote number 12 and it is showing me all the numbers from 1 to 12. All numbers are coming here. After doing this, I'll go back to the program. Now what I will do is, since all the number in this world are divisible by 1 and itself, so I'll make little change in the loop. Instead of 1, my loop will begin with 2, and it will not go till n. It will wait one number before. So if number entered is 11, so my loop will run from 2 to 10. If number entered is 55, my loop will run from 2 to 54. Okay, now here I am checking that is number entered by user is divisible by I at any point of time. If it is divisible, that simply means the number is divisible by other than 1 and itself. Okay, any other number is dividing my original number. So in that case, I will display the message n is composite. Okay, I'll just write n is composite. Why n is composite? Because other than 1 and itself, it got divided by the other number. So when I compile, there is no error. When I run the program, when I say 12, it is showing me 12 is composite multiple times. Now why it is showing me multiple times? The simplest reason is other than 1 and 12, the 12 is divisible by 2, 3, 4 and 6. So all the things are visible here. But since my number is divisible by 2, why I am checking it further? So very first division is happened. I don't need to do this division thereafter. So for that what I'll do, I'll put a break here. I will just simply put a break. Okay. Now I'm compiling the program, running this program again. When my number entered is 12, it is showing me 12 is composite only one time. So very first number by which 12 is divided, it is showing me that 12 is composite. So composite part is over. Now how to check whether number is prime or not? So see, if division is done, the number is composite. If division is not done, number is prime. So how I can do that now? How I can realize whether this division is done or not done? I don't have any extra option. So I will show you one more method to check whether a particular line of code is happened or not happened. So for that, I take one extra variable. Let us assume my variable is x and x is initially 0. X is initially 0. The moment this division happened, what I will do, I'll make x 1. Now outside the loop, I will just simply check whether division is happened or not happened. If it is happened, then x is 1. If it is not happened, x is 0. So outside I'll check what is the position of x, whether it is 1 or 0. If it is 1, we have already displayed the message that it is composite. But if it is 0, that means the division is not happened. And if the number is not divisible by any other number, that number is which number? Absolutely correct. It is a prime number. Okay. It is a prime number. Understood this much? Yes. Now from the beginning I am talking about the flag, but I haven't used flagged anywhere. Okay. Now will you allow me to change variable name? If I wanted to change the variable name, is it allowed here? Can I give any other name to this variable x? Is this really allowed? Yes, it is allowed. So I am giving name flag to the variable x. So wherever x is written, I am just changing it to flag. So here also I am writing flag. Just flag is nothing but just an ordinary variable. Right now I have taken flag as an integer variable, but if you wanted to take flag as a boolean variable, then that is also allowed. Let's do that way. So I am taking boolean flag equal to true. Initially my flag is true, but the moment I realize it is not prime number, I will say flag is equals to false. So here I am writing if flag is true, then n is prime, otherwise it is not prime. So this is my prime check program using flag method. Let us compile the program. There is no error. When I run the program, okay, I have to enter a number. So I am entering a composite number 12. When I say okay, 12 is composite. Rerunning the program. When I enter a number 41, it says 41 is prime. Okay. So take down this program. This is prime check using flag method. Okay. This is Sunil sir. Thank you so much for being here. This is the first half of the program. and this is the second half of the program. You can pause the video and you can enjoy the learning. Thank you so much once again.